Good morning, student. In our English, our 12 poems name is happiness here. So the poet tells us how we get happiness in our life because each and every person get happiness and we must have to live happy in our life. So what the poet wants to tell us or give the message to us by this poem happiness here. But first of all, I would like to recite this poem here. So happiness is sitting quietly in sunlit garden and it's just right, not too hot, not too cold, and each blade of grass, each petal is a shade of God. It might last minutes, it might last an hour, it lasts forever, always in a flower. When time has no meaning, happiness is the tired worm sinking into a parent's arm and it's just right, not too tight, not too loose, and each even breath, each heart beats is a part of God here. So in this poem, poet tell us about happiness, how we get the happiness here. So here, poet seek the happiness here. Happiness is sitting quietly in a sunlit garden. According to the poet, sitting quietly, peacefully in a sunlit garden in a morning time. It means in a morning time we must have to sit in our open garden. From our garden we can easily get the sunlight and it's just right, not too hot, not too cold. It means we have to sit in a proper time. It means in the morning time we get the warm heat of the sun here. If we sit in a too much early, it means 6 o'clock, so on that time the sun does not rises, so we get the cold. And if we sit in afternoon, so we get hot sun, hot sun ray here. So we have to sit in a warm morning time. It means when there is not too much hot or cold on that times we have to sit in a open air garden to get the sun heat here. Then after given here, and each blade, each blade of grass, each petal is a shade of God here. So it is each and everything in our surrounding we can see here. It is the parts of God here. Each and everything is created by the God. Without the God, without the wish of the God, we cannot get anything. Right? So if the wind or might be the another thing like the grass, flowers, animals, natural scenes are created by the gods only. So we have to seek the God in such a natural things here. We have to see the God in a natural things here. The God is not in idol, right? But we have to seek the happiness or the God in natural thing. So the poet suggests us here, so each blade of grass, each and every grass is a parts of God and each petal is a shade of God. So the God give the blaze, the God lives in a grass, the God lives in a petal of flowers here. So we must have to sit, we have to sit with the nature. If we see we sit in a our garden, so the garden must be covered with the flowers, shrub, bushes here, different kinds of the flowers, and so we can take the or we can get the happiness of with the natural things. And if we sit with the nature, so definitely we get the uh, uh, pleasure here, happiness here. So it might last a minute, it might last an hours. So we can sit here for the 10 minutes or we can sit here in a morning time for taking our breakfast in our garden. And when we get the easily the sun ray, the soft warm ray of the sun, we get the light of the sun. So we can sit for the 1 hours, we have to sit with the nature here. It lasts forever, always in a flower, when time has no meaning here. When the poet was young on that time, poet is habitual to sit in the garden, in an outside garden of his house. And the poet sit there for an uh, I think so 10 minutes or more than 10 minutes, 1 hour, and the poet get pleasure here, happiness to sitting with their parents, sitting with the nature, and the poet feel himself better here when their time has no meaning. It means when they are started to talking and taking their breakfast on their time, there is no limit of time. Whatever time required here, they spare the time. Like we must have to remember one thing, we must have to spare time to sit with our family member, because they are our well wisher, and if we sit with each other, so each and every family member get a warm in the family, and they can understand better to each and every family member. So we must have to spare time to sit with our family member, with our parent, and with our relatives here. So here the poet get pleasure here, happiness with sitting with their parent, with the nature scenes here. So there is no limit of time, so they complete their breakfast in a within short time here. So there is no limit of time, they can get the pleasure, they can sit here for the long times here, hours after hours they can able to sit with their parents, and they get the happiness here. So happiness is the tired warm sinking into parents arm here. So the parents give warmness to us, we sit in the arms of our parents, so the parents give warm sinking, and we cannot get tired here, we get happiness, we get the pleasure here to sit with the parents here, we never be a bore with to sitting with our parents here. So poet suggests us we must have to sit with our parents, and don't be a bore to sit with their parents here. So the tired warm sinking into parents arm here, parents it means our family member, our father and mother both do the hard work, but still they give love to us, they give happiness to us, they take care of us, and so we feel happy here to sitting with here with them. And it just right, not too tight, not to lose here. So we have to sit not to put the gap here, we have to sit not too near or not too far here, we must have to attach here with our family member, and each even a breathe, each heartbeat is a parts of God here. So we can see the God here, each and every breath we take our breath here, so each heartbeat, the heartbeat we see here, our heartbeat is continue, so we are alive here. If our heartbeat stop, then we died here. So here each and every our action, our body movement, our action is a one kind of the gift of the God here. So our each and every heartbeat and breathe here is a parts of God. So we must have to be a thankful to God, we have to say thanks to God here. And once again for our family member who give here happiness to us here. So here poet would like to tell us here, you must have to sit with your parents and get the happiness in a morning time with your parents here, in a for garden here where you can easily get the happiness here with your family member, and you have to sit with your parents and get the warm sunlight in the morning time, and each and everything you can take, you can see here with the different things, natural things here, and the natural scene give us the happiness here. If we smell the flower, if we smell the flowers here, so we get happy here by seeing it, we would like to pluck the flowers here. So the natural thing, mountain, hills, grass, flowers, etc. are the parts of God. So here we have to see the God in a such a natural thing, and we must have to sit with them, and we have to get happiness in our life here. So here the poet give the message here, message that we must have to sit with the nature, we have to get the pleasures by seeing the natural scene, by seeing the natural parts of God here, like each and everything is creation by the God here. So when we see such a natural thing like flower, grass, sunlight, so we have to get pleasure like we have see the God here. Poet tells in these three lines, it might last a year, forever is here, where time has no meaning here. It means if we sit in a garden, so we get the happiness. It might last a year. It means this happiness is not we get for the short period of time, but it remain, it stay with us forever our life. Whatever we live our life at the end of our life, till it will stay with us, and there where the time has no meaning is given here. It means we get the happiness, and this is not the temporary happiness, but it is forever live with us, that happiness. So we must have to sit with the nature, and we have to get the happiness with sitting around with the nature, with our parents, with our relatives, with our family member. So this happiness we get for a long period of time, where time has no meaning here. It means it remains, the happiness remain with us forever, whatever we live our life. So at the end of our life, till the happiness we get with sitting with the nature here. So we get the happiness forever in our life.